Well, it's been about 2 weeks since I checked my candy roaster squash, and they weren't ready. Since then, we have had a lot of rain, and most of the vines have died back over with all the water. A week ago, I did go ahead and pick these up because they had already broken from the vine. And you can see they're about 18 inches long. But today, I'm going to come on in here and I'm going to go ahead. This was the one that I was primarily interested in before. Let's try the fingernail. Yeah, it's still tender though. But I'm going to go ahead and cut this today. It's still green on the vine. But because of all of the rain and the wet soil, I'm going to go ahead and cut it, and I left my clippers over here. Well, watermelons are still doing great. Look at that one. That's probably going to be ready to be picked. And another couple of these. Let's look at this little one here. Oh, yeah. See, that just came right off. That's a beauty. I sure hope it does turn out good. You can see this one just was not ready, but I'm going to let it sit and season for a while. Cure, I think they call it. And we'll see what happens. We have a whole bunch here in the corner. But their vines, well, they still look okay. So maybe I'll give these over here another week and see what happens. I should have brought a scale out so I can weigh this one. But he's real heavy. Very good with this one. You can see this one's over 21 inches long. And I'm going to say it's at least 5 pounds, but I'll weigh it and then make a note later. So thank you all for visiting, and have a blessed day and enjoy your garden.